I had joined BJP in 2004, as you said, and I was very active for some time, and then I realized that that elbow in and get a place for myself wasn't my nature. I was like, a little shy and timid, and I wasn't really the. But of course, when you said electoral politics, I was offered. Arun Jaitley ji तब थे, उन्होंने मुझसे बोला था. In fact, when I first joined, तो मुझसे पूछा गया था, you will join politics, what do you want in return? I said, what do I want in return? They said, do you want Rajya Sabha? I could have put that condition. I said, no, I don't want anything. I don't want Rajya Sabha. Now today I look back and say how naive and, innocent I was. I said, no, I just want to make a difference. I want to do good work. I want to do a thing. So if you say, no, I don't want anything in return, then you'll get nothing in return. So you have to be a hardcore, demanding
negotiator.
person. So I was, of course, today I'm a little more aware of how things work. But still, I think doing a good work is very important. There was a time when I was offered somewhere in Punjab a seat, and I said, if I get from Chandigarh is what I would want, because that's my hometown.
That's right.
And that, of course, that time there was somebody else had been promised.
So you never know, Punjab is going to go for polls. Maybe you will stand for election from Punjab?
See, Punjab was offered to me once or twice, but I don't know, in my typical, I would say not so smart self, I was wanting a certain place, because I feel Chandigarh was my hometown. I grew up there, went to school there.
Kiran Kher stood for election.
Kiran was there that time, so I said, okay, Kiran is there, and she was, I think, a popular choice at that time. But after that, again, then...
2 terms I think she had from there.
She had 2
after
terms.
That.
I was offered another, I don't want to name because
another
it's
constituency.
Another constituency. And
I would love to see you contest an election. It would be such fun to cover you.
Yeah, but it's a very, very
it's a
tough journey.
Yeah.
And I think the temperament which you need for it is of a different nature, which I think I'm slowly smartening up to it. I'm to an extent naive even now, but I'm less naive than I was 10 years ago. Or
and it's not as if people will vote for you just because you were an actor. Because there's been a long period of, you not doing this movie a year, 2 movies a year. वो नहीं है. So, there's a lot that you have done post that.
Yeah, and people need to believe in your integrity and your intentions. I think the 2 main things for any politician is, your intentions have to be correct. It doesn't mean everything you do will turn out right, but your intention has to be
And there's never been any negativity associated with your name. So I think you come with a clean slate.
I hope
completely.
So. I've tried to stay away from all that. But I would say that even Arun Govil recently in Parliament brought up the actors thing. Because, we've had so many actors who've gone into the Parliament, but they've never fought for our industry to that extent. अभी जय जी ने बोला है, अरुण गोविल ने कुछ बोला था, but they've been like umpteen number of actors. Unfortunately, lot of them don't even attend Parliament. They are the ones who, थोड़ा सा actors को non-seriously लेना या frivolously लेना, उनकी वजह से हुआ है. And which is sad, because just because you're an actor doesn't mean you are dumb or you don't have the social or consciousness or the intelligence. I mean, we had other actors like Shatrughan Sinha in those days. He was very aware, including Vinod Khanna was there. So, they have kept their... and one learns. Nobody is a politician from birth. So, I'm very, very aware of what goes on. So a lot of times I remember meeting people, they said, we've never met an actress who knows so much about politics. I said, because I'm interested in it.
Good.
I like hearing, I like knowing what is happening in our country.
And wanting to make a change. I'm so glad that you still have the zeal, even though there's been a long period in politics, which, you didn't do much as far as politics is concerned. You were doing for the unions and things. Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.